Hello, so kung gusto nyong magkuha ng vaccination certificate, so pwede kayong pumunta dito sa website na to. Okay, so continue na lang. And then, yeah, I have read, continue. And then, were you vaccinated more than 48 hours? So, for any of your dose, so more than 48 hours ka ba daw na-vaccinate? So, if more than 48 hours, lagay niyo lang ng yes. Okay, tapos continue. Tapos name ninyo. So, lagyan nyo lang ng name. So, lagyan ko ng name. Tapos, birthday. Tapos, check nyo lang kung Johnson & Johnson yung ano. Tapos, first, kung saan yung location ng first dose ninyo. So, type nyo lang. Tapos, anong date yun? Say kung date that? First dose?
14?
October 14, 2021. So, second dose. Lagay nyo lang din. Okay, second dose. Ay. Okay, so, yan. So, continue nyo lang. Tapos, type nyo to. 4, 7, R, XA. Okay. Looking you up. Okay, so, okay, record found. Okay, yon. Yan. Please check if you intend to use this certificate for travel purposes. Okay. Kasi ngayon, dito sa lugar namin, yung certificate, dito na talaga, yung hinahanap talaga yung certificate vaccination. So, yan, generate tayo dito. Generate. Ay! Invalid passport. Oops. Hindi mo pala i-check yung ano. Kasi maglalagay ng passport. So, yan. I-uncheck mo lang yun. So, yan. Meron ka ng QR code. So, yan. So, download nyo lang. Okay. So, pwede nyo tong i-print. So, yan. So, makikita yung brand, Pfizer. Yan. So, yan. Certificate ID, yan. Okay, so that's it. Thank you. So, napansin ko lang, yung first dose pa lang yung nakalagay dito. So, hindi pa nila nalagay yung second dose. Okay, so, yun. So, make sure tama yung information na nilagay nyo kasi pag mali yung birthday, ganyan, hindi talaga siya mag-generate or hindi makikita. So, kung mali yung birthday na nilagay nyo or name, ganyan. So, yun. So, thank you.